The cat and the bag. Sam is a fat cat. Sam has a big map. He sits on a mat. Sam looks at the map to find a snack. Sam sees a bag. The bag is on the cab. Sam wants to nab the bag. He hops off the mat with a zap. A rat is by the bag. The rat has a hat. The rat is Mad Max. Max hides in the gap by the cab. Is there ham in the bag? Asks Sam. He uses his pad to tap the lid. The bag has a silver tag. Max the rat yells, "No!" Max is sad. He has a bad tooth. He cannot eat the jam in the bag. Sam is a wag. He feels bad for Max. "Do not be mad," says Sam. Sam opens a small can. The can has a yam. It is a soft snack. Max can eat the yam. Max is glad and starts to yap. They sit on the grass. The sun is hot. Sam wears a cap. Max puts on his hat again. A lad walks by. The lad has a bat. He wants to pat the cat. Sam purrs and stays flat. "Look at the map," says the lad. He points to a dam. The dam is far back by the path. Sam and Max pack the bag. They fasten the clasp. It is time to go to the camp. They pass a glass of water. The water is for a fast ant. The ant says, "Thanks." Sam and Max dash to the dam. They ran and ran. Their pans clink in the bag. At the dam, they nap. The cat and the rat are pals. They have a vast view of the land. The day was fast. Sam is a glad cat. Max is a glad rat. They love the shorter land.